Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. So I'm myself Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. So let us discuss about the Revit topic. Fine. So let us see this one. How to take schedule with the wall, like a wall information I need to take. So if you want to take the wall information here, then what we are going to do, we are just going to make a schedule. Under view option, you can see that schedule option. You can take schedule quantities. We'll take schedule quantities, the filter list will show them. So regarding which one you wanted, then you can take according to that. So I'll take this one as in wall. If I'll take wall here, then you can see here. So if you wanted to rename this one as in wall information or any wall scheduling, wall takeoffs, anything, you can take this one wall schedules. So I'll take this one as in wall schedule. Then you can take the space. Space is nothing but, so regarding if your project is a new constructed means, then you can take this one as a new construction. Existing means you can take this one as an existing. I'll take this one as a new construction. I'll click OK. Once you will click OK, in the field whatever the information you require to upload regarding wall, you can take all those things. I wanted the area of one particular wall and count of the wall, family and type of the wall. Okay, so length of the wall I wanted to take here. So now here it is there. Here next to we can take this one as in value and width, thickness of the wall. So after taking this, if you wanted to arrange this one, you can arrange also. Now let it be this family and type. I'll just take in the up parameter, that is move up parameter, and area I'll take in a dot parameter here like this. So even the count also I'll take as an down only here. So after this you can click OK. Once if I'll click OK, now you can see the wall schedule here. So we have taken a basic wall 200 mm wall, length of the wall 13 meter, one is 18 meter, and volume of the wall and thickness of the wall width, and next area of the one particular wall and how much we have taken the wall, it shows here. So like that we can take the wall scheduling. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.